Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm Erica, and today I'm collaborating with everyone who is part of this collab. It's the only late night collab, a Can't Sleep Creations collaboration, and the collab is with Jody at Southern Seasons, Up All Night, DIY, and Shabby meets Bling or Blitzy. I can't read that. That's too small for me. But anyways, I'm looking forward to seeing what you all create, and thank you for letting me participate. So the first thing that I'm going to be creating in this video is this mail holder, key organizer, thingy majigger. I don't know. It just hangs on the wall, okay? And it was Mammal's. I don't know where she got it from. She don't even know where she got it from. But when I moved back in, I was like, hey, can I paint that? And she goes, why? And cause she wasn't using it, right? And I was like, so I can enter it in the craft fair. And she goes, oh, okay. And she gave it to me. So I ended up painting it this pink, and it's the folk art chalk paint blush rose pink thing. I don't know. I love this color. It's so cute. It reminds me of those mother's cookies, you know, like the circus ones with the sprinkles, and they're pink and white. I don't like the other ones, but I love those ones with the sprinkles. They're original. And this thing reminds me of that. So I ended up painting it that. I didn't do all the things I want to this because I can't find all my stuff. Like, I literally just moved in like a couple months ago, and I don't know, when you move, you can't find shit, right? So anyways, this was one of the first things that I had crafted since I've been here. And it's been staring at me like, hey, Erica, paint us. And it's because I want to enter it in the craft fair. It's part of the woodworking thing, and I didn't make it, but I'm painting it. I'm customizing it, making it my own. So that's what I'm doing. And I think it took about 3 or 4 coats for this. I do plan on doing some other things to it, like embellishing it once I find my stuff. I don't know where it's at. But every year, and look how cute it is. It turned out like just plain pink, right? So, this next thing that I am crafting, painting, is this wooden tray thing that I got at Goodwill back in 2023. I think it was about $3, and I always wanted one. And when I got it home, it was broken. I was like, son of a bitch. And so I never did anything with it. And I've been meaning to. I just ain't done it. And here it is, 2026, and now I'm painting it and stuff. So I'm just going to be using that chalk paint for, like, everything. It's the same color, and it's just going to coordinate so nicely because I've got pink and teal in my room. And it's all chalk paint. And I love the color. I love the formula and everything about it. But anyways, this craft fair, like, this is gonna be entered in the craft fair too. I do plan on doing a little extra something to it, but not right now because I don't know where all my stuff is. But anyways, right here is the wallpaper that I had in my old craft room at my old place, and I didn't get to take it with me, but I had some of this paper left over, and I got it off of Temu. And I love this paper. Like, it's so cute and so pretty, and I thought it looked nice, even though it's giving spring vibes. I don't care. I think it's cute. So the craft fair I enter in almost every year. The year that I did not get to enter was 2020 and 2022, and it was not my fault. Like, I had shit made and I didn't get to enter nothing. But I enjoy the open craft fair because I get to see other people's creations, and I'm a homebody. I don't go nowhere. I don't like people. I really don't. But I have been going since 2018, and my first craft fair was with Muffin, my sweet little Muffin. And they had a pet show back then. Ever since that time, they stopped doing it because in 2019 there was like a tornado, and you know, we're in Tornado Alley here in Oklahoma, right? So anyway, they don't really do that part anymore. It's mostly just crafts and stuff. And I love that. I love crafting, and I love, like, challenging myself. But it does get extreme sometimes because last year I entered in over 70 things. And I've never done that before because I didn't know we could. You guys, we can. And so I did, and I made over $100 and something, and I was like, ooh, birthday money. because it's like a week before my birthday, so I was so happy. This sign we actually got, I think, at a bingo, like maybe a Christmas, it was like a holiday bingo. It was either Christmas or Halloween or something. I don't know. I'm not a fan of Oklahoma. The only thing that I like in Oklahoma is the fact that's where I got Muffin. That's it. Because you know what? I want to move to Idaho. I can't tell you why, and you won't be able to understand why, but I don't want to be in Oklahoma no more. So I'm hoping next year I won't be here. I'll be in Idaho with Muffin. But anyways, I'm painting it that pink again, and I am not the greatest painter, okay? I was trying to go around the edges and stuff, try not to be messy, but you guys, I'm messy, okay? I'm messy. I'm a crafter. Hello. I broke the rule, and I just went ahead and I scribbled on all that paint, and then I ended up going in with teal later on trying to fix it, and then I never finished it. And I mean, like, I'm uploading it in this video, but let me just tell you guys, it's sloppy and it's not to my liking, and I'm gonna end up fixing it off camera because I ain't made a video in forever, so this is weird for me, okay? But anyways, that craft fair, I enjoy it every year, and I get a little manic before the craft fair because I wait to the last minute. I don't know why I do that to myself. I don't mean to, but when you have chronic depression and stuff, it's hard. It's hard because there's other shit wrong with me too, so it's hard. And you know, like, I love collabing, and I think collabing is one of the best things for me because it lights a fire under me and it makes me get shit done. So I'm so grateful for this collab. Like, I am totally grateful for this collab. Like, I wanted to do doll collabs with other doll YouTubers, but let me just tell y'all that those people, if you know that they're a cult. Okay, they're a cult, and they're cutthroat, and they don't want you in their group. Like, you're not good enough. But that's fine. Like, that's fine. Like, you don't think I'm good enough to be part of your group? Cool beans. Like, I don't want to be, okay? But anyways, this craft fair has, like, so many things, and if you guys are doing more of these collabs, then I will happily join because, like, it gets me going and makes me do things that I need to do and get done, and I'm so grateful for it. And I think Muffin enjoys it too, because she comes in here with me in the craft room and stuff, and she enjoys seeing me paint and whatnot and craft and talk to myself because I do quite frequently. But yeah, so thank you for letting me participate in this collab. Like, it means a lot, and I'm looking forward to doing more. I always want to, and then I don't do it, and I, like, psych myself out, or I, like, procrastinate too much. But anyways, this is what the sign looked like, and it's gonna get fixed. It looks like crap right now, but it's gonna get fixed. Now, this footage is of my Mammal painting. She doesn't know that I took it. But I took it because I wanted to. She painted with me today, and this is something that she's going to enter in that craft fair too, and I think it turned out really cute. It's different. It's very different. I bought that canvas at Family Dollar before it closed back in 2023, and I was never going to do anything with it, and she's always struggling to think of what she's going to paint for that craft fair, and she came up with this, and I think it's so freaking cute. She thought it was ugly. It's beautiful to me. Thank you all so much for watching and for participate in your collab. I truly appreciate it. And thanks if you listened and you watched all the way through and you heard me rant and whatnot. Thanks again. And I'm looking forward to seeing what everyone else creates. Bye, guys.